Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add games on your PPSSPP emulator. To get this done, you are going to be needing an app that is called the Z Archiver app. So you can easily find this app in your Google Play Store. So make sure to download and install this app on your device because you are going to need it to extract your game files. Now, once you are done with that, just follow every other instructions on this video. Now, if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, whenever you download any game, you're going to need to extract that game. So once you get any game on your device, just go ahead and open your Z Archiver app and then locate that game file. Now, my game file is in the download UC download section. So you can see it in here. So you can see I'm having a Tekken zip file in here. So we are going to need to extract this file so we will be able to access the ISO file. So to do that, just tap on it. You're going to see extract here. Click on extract here and it's going to start extracting the ISO file. Now, once it's done extracting your ISO file, you will need to move this file to the PSP folder. So to do this, simply hold down on your ISO file, select cut, and then go back. Just go back to your main directory. Now, my PSP folder is in my document folder. So if I want to click on document, I'm going to see my PSP folder. So I'll click on my PSP folder, then go into my game section. Then you will see the paste icon below. So simply just paste it in there. So now my ISO file is in my PSP game folder. Now I can go ahead and open my PPSSPP emulator. So once I open my emulator, it's going to open up like this. As you can see, there's no game in here. That's because there's one more thing for us to do. Now, to do this, click on this browse icon you can see at the top. So once you select that, you have to show the emulator where you are keeping your games. So all we have to do is go back to the main directory, click on documents, PSP, games. So this is where I'll be storing all my ISO files. So I'm going to click on use this folder, allow, and now you can see that the game is in here and is ready to play. Now, apart from this, you're going to be needing some settings that can actually, give you the best performance and graphics on your PPSSPP emulator. I've already made a special video about that, and I'm going to be recommending that video at the end of this video. So you just have to stick around to the end of this video so you can access the best settings to use for your PPSSPP emulator. Now let's give this game a try so you guys can actually see that this game is working.
Round one. Fight. You win. Round two.
Now, as you can see, everything is working very fine. So this is the best way that you can actually use to add any PSP games to your PPSSPP emulator. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.